Are you curious to discover the key to optimizing your content for top search engine rankings through keyword density? Then this video is for you. Hello, everyone! Welcome to MAKblogs.com, your success partner. Today, we're diving deep into the world of SEO to unravel the mystery behind keyword density, its calculation method, and its role in achieving that coveted top spot in search results. What is keyword density? Picture this. Your content's visibility in search engine results directly relates to the keyword density in your SEO strategy. Keyword density is the percentage of times your targeted keyword appears in your content compared to the total word count. In simple terms, it's the ratio of keyword instances to the overall content length. Now, calculating keyword density? Let's do some math. Suppose you have a 1,000-word blog post centered around healthy breakfast recipes, and you've used the keyword healthy breakfast 20 times. To calculate keyword density, use this formula: keyword instances divided by total word count, then multiply by 100. In this case, your keyword density would be 2%. Now, importance of keyword density. Why is keyword density crucial? First, it signals search engines about your content's central theme. It improves organic rankings and aligns with user intent. Plus, it prevents the dreaded keyword stuffing, a practice that could hurt your rankings. So, what's the ideal keyword density? While there's no universal percentage, sticking to 1.5 is a sweet spot for most cases. Remember, quality content should always take precedence over density. The key is natural integration. Strategically place your keywords in titles, headings, and early paragraphs. Create content that reads well and addresses user intent without sounding forced. Now, role of LSI keywords. Don't forget about LSI keywords. These related terms enhance context and relevancy, showing search engines your content's depth and scope. Google emphasizes valuable content and advises against keyword stuffing. Quality over quantity is the name of the game. In a nutshell, keyword density remains important, but it's just one piece of the SEO puzzle. Balancing natural integration, content quality, and user experience will elevate your rankings. Remember, SEO practices evolve, so staying updated is vital. That's a wrap on understanding keyword density for top search rankings. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to MAKblogs for more expert advice on mastering the world of SEO. If you want to get our exceptional digital services like content writing and more, contact us now.